Yo guys, welcome back to the new video on Ramoz facts. As you guys know, my name is Mohsin and today I'm back with another episode of Haram Foods, which is the second episode. In last episode we have discussed 6 haram foods in Islam, and if you have missed that video then I will mention that video link in the description below, or you can access it from the I button above here on right top corner of your video screen. Please go and watch that video too, so that you can know what is included in that video and you can abide from eating them. So here we'll start the today's video. So here I'm gonna discuss 4 haram foods. On number 1 is marshmallow. Marshmallow, they are very popular snack, and you can eat marshmallows just as they are, or you can throw them in your hot chocolate. You can roast them at a campfire and more. But again, just like jello, marshmallows contain gelatin, so they are completely haram. However, vegan marshmallows, they do exist, so they are in luck. You can check them out. Those are fully halal and they are great substitute for regular marshmallows. On number 2 comes cheesecake. Most cheesecakes contain gelatin as a firming agent to set the cheese, but you can find cheesecakes that do not contain any gelatin though. But if you are unsure, it's recommended that you simply make it yourself, or you have somebody that's a very special and he's skilled than you in the kitchen to make it. I'm very picky when it comes to my cheesecakes, so you gotta make it right, or else I'm just not eating it. Cake mix is at number 3. Although they can be very affordable and tasty, some ready-made cake mixes, they actually use pork fat. So of course, make sure you check the ingredients just before buying one. And finally at number 4, surprisingly haram food, that is salad dressings. Have you ever wondered why there are certain salad dressings that are made in house at a restaurant, and you find that they taste a little bit different than the ones that you make it at home or buy it at store? Well, I got the answer for that also. It because many restaurants use bacon fat in their salad dressings. So of course, when you go to a restaurant, you can ask for an ingredient list, or just tell them not to put any dressings on your salad whatsoever. Or another option is, if you take the salad to go, I guess you can put some olive oil over it, or even just plain olives. They have a great flavor, especially when you use them as a toppings on salad. So guys, this ends our video, and here we have covered 4 foods that are haram in Islam, and by this I'll just end my episode, which we have started from last week, which contained 6 foods that are haram, and including these 4, that completely completes video of 10 foods that are haram. And we have prepared a playlist of the foods which are haram in Islam. In our playlist section, you can just go and check it out, so that you should know which foods are forbidden to eat and you can stay away from them. And as any vegan or vegetarian person who is unknown that which food contains some animal ingredients into them, just make sure that you just check the descriptions of each product you buy, and make sure that it doesn't contain any animal containing food items which will irritate you from eating them. So we'll end this video by this, and now we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.